Now try to arrange these fractions in ascending order, that is starting from the smallest to the highest. You can pause the video and then try it yourself. At the end, you compare your answers to what is gotten at the end of this video. Solution. Now the first step you will do is to find the LCM of 8, 7, 11, and 5. And the LCM you would get is 3080. Now you multiply these fractions by the LCM. So 3 over 8 multiplied by 3080. 8 in 30. 8 in 30, that is 3. Remember 6. In 68, that's 8. And then that's 4. Now in 40 is 5. That is, we have 3 times 385. Now let's apply that. 385 multiplied by 3. 3 times 5, 15. Carry the 1. 3 times 8, 24 plus 1, that's 25. 3 times 3, 9 plus 2, that's 11. So therefore we have 1155. Now let's apply it to the second fraction. We have 2 over 7 multiplied by the LCM, which is 3080. Now 7 year 1, 7 in 30, that is 4. Remember 2. In 28, that is 4. No remainders. And then in 0, we have 0, giving us 2 times 440. And what we get here is 880. Now to the third fraction. 5 over 11 multiplied by 3080. This would give us 5 multiplied by, now 11 in 3080 will give you 280. And then when we multiply this, 280 times 5, what do we get? 5 times 0, 0. 5 times 8, that's 40, 0, carry the 4. 5 times 2, 10, plus 4 is 14. So our answer is 1400. And then the final question, we have 4 over 5 times 3080. This will give you 4 times 5 in 30, that's 6. In 8 is 1. Remember 3. And then in 30 we have 6. That is 616. Now 616 multiplied by 4 would give us 4 times 6 is 24. 4 carry the 2. 4 times 1 is 4. Plus 2, that's 6. Now 4 times 6 is 24. That is, our answer here is 2464. Now let's arrange our answers in ascending order. That is from the smallest to the biggest. We have here 1155, 880, 1400, and then 2464. The smallest number here is 880, which is less than, the next is 1155, which is less than 1400, and then less than 2464. Then now let's arrange this by the fractions. 880, that is the fraction 2 over 7. 2 over 7 becomes our smallest fraction. Then the next fraction is 3 over 8. And then the next fraction is 5 over 11. And our biggest fraction is 4 over 5. By following these simple steps, you too can arrange any given set of fraction in ascending order. Try this with a couple of fractions around you. Thank you.